Hello everyone! Welcome to the Good Mix Kitchen. In this video, we will share how to cook cauliflower and potato masala fry. It is simple and so delicious. It goes so well with tarka dal. You can find the recipe in the I link above. We would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel for more flavorsome recipes. So, for this recipe, you will need 3 sliced onions, 5 to 6 boiled potatoes, cauliflower, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, fresh coriander, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil, 2 inches grated ginger, and 4 cloves of chopped garlic. You can find all the ingredients in the description below. Let's begin. In a preheated pan, add oil. Once oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Let them crackle. Then add ginger and garlic. Mix well for a few seconds. Add curry leaves and mix well. Add turmeric, mix well. Now add onions, salt, mix well and cook for about 5 minutes until onions become soft and brown. Once onions are soft, it's time to add spices: red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and mix well. Now add cauliflower, mix well so that it's evenly coated with spices. Add a splash of water. Cover it and cook for 6 to 7 minutes on low heat. Now let's add boiled potatoes, mix well and cover for another 3 minutes. Finally, let's add fresh chopped coriander and let it cook for another minute. And it's ready. Let's plate it up. It smells so good. We hope you will enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe our channel.